Hello everyone, I'm Vijaya. Today I'll be going to explain the notification which is dated on 12th August 2026. What is the subject of this notification? Participation in Youth Entrepreneurship Challenge, that is YEC workshop organized by IIT Kanpur. The board is in the receipt of information from IIT Kanpur regarding the Youth Entrepreneurship Challenge, that is YEC workshop being organized by its entrepreneurship cell. The online workshop aimed to foster entrepreneurial thinking, innovation, and problem solving skills among students of classes 9th to 12th. The workshop brochure is enclosed for ready reference. Now, workshop details are given. The workshop will be on 23rd August 2026. Mode will be online. Registration starts from 5th August to 22nd August 2026. It is free, no fees is being charged. Eligibility is students of classes 9 to 12th. This is the registration link. You are going to click on this and register yourself for this YEC workshop. The heads of the Cbse affiliated schools are requested to disseminate the information among eligible students. So you are going to give this information to your student. Now let us see in the detail what has been given in this notification. Just see, this is Entrepreneurship Cell, IIT Kanpur. Next is Youth Entrepreneurship Challenge. In this, they have given brochure is given over here. So in this brochure, let us check what is there in detail. Now, next it has been given what is eSale IIT Kanpur. eSale IIT Kanpur aims to induce an entrepreneurial mindset into the students and air an innovative streak in them. We are here to water the ideas in the bud and help them bloom into impactful endeavors through networking. Students, enterprises from campus to incubators, seeding funds, and angel investors to transform the newly proposed ideas into successful startups. So what is, now in detail we are going to check what is YEC, Youth Entrepreneurship Challenge, offers an ideal platform for curious young minds to tackle everybody problems with ingenuity and originality, from imparting fundamental concepts of entrepreneurship to refining imaginative ideas to crafting a business plan and presenting it to a panel of respected judges. This platform challenge has it all. Next is, what is the vision? Youth Entrepreneurship Challenge aims to ignite the spark of innovation and the problem solving, encouraging youth individuals to think outside the box and come up with the novel solutions. Through this challenge, participants will learn to turn their passion into profitable ventures and develop essential skills that will serve them all in their personal and the professional lives. Now, here they have given last year's reach, it is 25,000 plus aspiring future entrepreneurs. Now, incentives here they have given mentorship from experienced industry expert, prize worth rupees 3 lakh, certificate from eSale, IIT Kanpur, media coverage, free passes to eSummit 2026. These are the incentives you are going to get after this program. Registration, how you are going to do registration. Workshop is open to registration for students from classes 9 to 12. Second point, click on the register now button to sign up to YEC workshop. Registrations open on 5th August and will close on 22nd August. The online workshop is scheduled for 23rd August. Next, let us see what has been given here. Workshop. As a part of the Youth Entrepreneurship Challenge, YEC, this workshop aims to equip students with essential entrepreneurial skills through an engaging session focused on innovation, problem solving, and the idea development. Participants will gain insights into turning ideas into impactful ventures, learn the basics of business planning, and explore how to present their solutions effectively. designed to inspire creativity and a startup mindset. The workshop serves as a launchpad for aspiring young entrepreneurs. Now, next it has been given past year speakers. They have told who were the speakers. Now, these are the names given over here. Next, we will see become an official YEC school partner, top performing schools with the highest number of the students registration in YEC 2026 will be recognized as the official school partners of the Youth Entrepreneurship Challenge by eSale IIT Kanpur. Now, what are the benefits? Official YEC school partner certificate, school logo featured on the official YEC website, recognition across YEC social media platforms, priority invitations for future e-sale initiatives, recognition during the grand finale, opportunities for future collaboration with e-sale, IIT Kanpur. These are the benefits that particular school will be going to get. Entrepreneurship Sale IIT Kanpur. These are the contact details they have given. And if you are having any query, you are going to contact all these members. Mohit Yadav, then Ankit, uh, Srujana, and Sony. In this way, this is all about the notification, which is very, very important, and be the part of this program, this workshop. Definitely, your students will be going to get benefits. And from my all these information, whatever I'm sharing and updating you, do you think all those updates are really helpful for you? Then please subscribe my channel and keep updating yourself. And don't forget to share and like my videos. Thank you.